Welcome to Aerial Fitness at Aerial Practice. Here are 10 exercises to challenge your upper body today. Start by placing hands and feet on the ground, hands above the shoulders. Straighten the right leg and bring it inside the hammock. Bring the hip above the shoulders. Keeping the back straight. The feeling should be similar to getting into a handstand. Come back to standing. Place the grip in front, shoulders back, elbows close to the chest and hold. Try to keep the weight off the feet. Back to laying on the ground. Grab the fabric together, reach the left hand out, and back. Now right hand and back. Stand on the feet, grab the fabric and bring the hip up. Lift the right leg and hold. Sit under the hammock. Place the grip above the head. Pull to lift the body up and slowly to come down. Back to all fours on the ground, placing the feet into the hammock for planking. Come all the way up. Grab the fabric in front, lean straight back, bring the elbows in and out. Next is tricep push. Remember this movement? Elbows up and straighten. Keep the elbows in position. Now apply this movement to the hammock. Chest forward, in line with the hip. Engage the tricep to straighten the arms. Lay on the floor. Grab the hammock and pull the elbows in. Remember to keep the body in line. Bring the knees in the hammock. Climb up and down. If you can do this once, you can do this twice. Only 5 more minutes to a strong body. Let's keep going. Exercise 1. Hands and feet on the ground. Left leg inside the hammock. Bring the hip up to a supported handstand. Back to standing. Grip in front, shoulders back, elbows close to the chest, and hold. If this is challenging now, remember to come back and practice. I promise it will get a lot easier for you after just a few practice. Lay back down on the ground. Grab the fabric together. Reach the hands out left and right. Stand on the feet, pull and hip up. Lift the left leg and hold. Come under the hammock, grip above the head, and pull. Hands and feet on the ground. Feet into the hammock for planking. Come all the way up and grab the fabric, lean straight back and bring the elbows in. Only 3 exercises left. You can do this. Next is tricep push. Chest forward, hip in line. Straighten and bend the arms. Lay down on the floor, pull the elbows in and back. Bring the knees in the hammock for the last exercise. Climbing up and down. The first series of aerial fitness routine is created for beginners who have basic level of strength and are ready to advance in the air. Since I'm a swimmer, my shoulders are relatively stronger and my grips are the weakest. You might have noticed already that I've added more exercises for grip strength in this routine. Now that you have tried it once, next time when you come back and practice, feel free to make adjustments to these exercises to make it more or less challenging based on your strength and weaknesses. Next, I want to use my leg routine as an example. It is normal to have sore muscles after training. What's not normal for me was I realized that the muscles around my knees were more sore than the muscle around my thighs. That was a sign that I need to improve my form, but also I need to engage the correct muscle groups. How am I doing that? I find it helpful to imagine expanding and contracting the muscle that I'm training to help activating the correct muscle groups. If you have any other tips, leave a comment below and let us know. If you want to see more hammock flow and aerial fitness video, be sure to click subscribe so you can see the new videos that I upload on aerial practice every week. I wish you a wonderful day ahead and see you in next week's videos.